Capacitors are essential passive electronic components that store electrical energy in an electric field, playing a crucial role in stabilizing voltage levels, filtering signals, and timing applications in various electronic devices. They are found in everything from simple circuits to complex machinery, and understanding their operation is vital for designing and troubleshooting electronic systems. When a voltage is applied, capacitors consist of two conductive plates separated by a dielectric material, allowing them to store and release energy, functioning similarly to temporary batteries. This capability helps to smooth out voltage fluctuations, which is often observed when plugging in appliances. The knowledge of how capacitors work and their applications enhances the skills of hobbyists, students, and professional engineers alike, enabling them to create more effective and reliable circuits. By the end of the tutorial, readers will gain comprehensive insights into capacitors, empowering them to utilize these components effectively in their projects and appreciate their significance in everyday electronics.
Visit our website, prometeo.blog, to read the full article and many more. All our micro tutorials and comparisons can be read in Spanish and English. They have an integrated learning quiz, and you will have access to a ChatGPT teacher specialized in electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence.